How to download Bigo Live video app. Bigo Live is a streaming platform where you can watch streams, play streaming games, live chat, and also if you stream the platform, you can also earn gifts. To download it, you will need to open up the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device, and then in the search bar search for Bigo Live. From here you can download this application. It also has a light version. You can search for Bigo Live Lite. This is the light version of Bigo. It will consume less data and will consume less storage space. Tap on install, and after a few seconds the app will be downloaded and will start to install. After that you can tap on open. You can sign in or also sign up for Bigo. You can also use this platform as a guest. If you cross the screen, here you can use the platform as guest as it is written here, but you can also create an account and sign in.